Some random stranger on the internet has moved my vagina. Oh no, I don't know how to feel about this. He has literally given me boobs. I did not see this happening. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so crazy excited to film today's video, but also just a smidgen nervous, just a little bit, because for today's video I have asked complete and utter random strangers just on the internet places around the world to Photoshop photos of me to make me hotter. And I have no idea what they've done to my photos. I haven't looked at them yet. They're on my computer in front of me. We're gonna go through them together. We're gonna see what changes they've made, if they've made any, and I'm very excited to look through them. So I actually saw Sarah Betts do this video and thought it was so much fun. I will link her video down below, but I do think Natalia Taylor started it, so I will also link her video down below as well. Okay, I've scooched to one side. I have my computer in front of me. I will put photos on the screen so that you can have a good old look for yourself, and we're just gonna jump right into this. We're just gonna start. So, photo number one is this one. This photo was taken in Venice. I look a little bit grumpy, but I kind of like my hair. I like the background and everything else, apart from my face. But that's okay. So I sent this photo off completely unedited, and I sent it to someone who said, I will do any Photoshop editing for your photo, and then he's got a massive list of things that he can do. I paid £9.45 to have my photo edited and just said, just go a little crazy. However, the person got back to me and they said, you might need to tell me a little bit more about what you're trying to do. I don't know. Just a prettier, better version of me, and I want you to choose how to do it. And he said, of course, I will try to do that. And then the photo came back. So, ready? We're gonna bring this photo up on the screen. 1, 2, 3. What's he done? What's he done? I look scary. Wait, is that even different? Is that the same as the original? Did I look that scary in the original? I don't look like me, but I don't know what's different. What's he done? I look a bit like an alien. Straight off the bat, there's a color change, and it's really, really warm. It's quite a warm photo, which isn't necessarily my editing style, but I don't hate it. The color's fine. He's made the background blurry, which is, he's done a really good job of actually. It does look pretty natural. But then, my face, my face. From what I can gauge, he's made my lips more even in this photo, which makes me look like an alien. I don't even know why. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to seeing my face like that. Maybe that is a better version of me and I just can't see it. But I don't like it. I don't like it. And my nose has gotten smaller, which I do like a little bit. Do I? I feel like he just used the squidge tool on Photoshop so that my whole face has gone like my face looks pinched in the middle. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Editing skills, we're gonna give like a 6, 7. We're knocking off points for the of my face. Let me know in the comments what you would rate this and if you think that looks like a better version of me. I don't like her. I don't like who she is. Onwards and upwards, hopefully, fingers crossed. This one, it was £13 to edit. This photo was taken in Ibiza, it's taken in a mirror, and I think I just said, make me more model-like and clean up the image, because looking at the image, it's a little bit like grainy and noisy. What the heck? I'm not even looking at me at this point. They've managed to remove my phone from the bed, my trousers from the cupboard, the rubbish that's on the bedside table, and the plug socket in the wall. They've deleted the plug socket in the wall. Oh. When I said clean up the image, I meant sharpness-wise. I think they've actually just tidied my room. My waist got smaller, and my right leg got smaller, and my boob area got bigger, but kind of from the middle outwards. They've erased my calf muscle. What's wrong with my calf muscle? I like my calf muscle. So they've also reduced some of this, I don't even know what you call this, but it's this little podgy bit under your arm. They've scooched that over a little bit. Okay, if I flick between the two images, I can see the differences, but if I just look at the final photo, I wouldn't know that was photoshopped, which is actually a little scary thinking about how many photos online you wouldn't even consider being photoshopped, but they are. I'm gonna give this photo a 9 out of 10, which is pretty darn high. This is the next photo. This was taken in LA, and as you can see, it's the beautiful Angel Wall in LA. And if you've never actually been there yourself, you may not know that around it, it's a little bit messy. For this photo, I do believe my comments were clean up the background because it's a little bit messy. See if you can correct the harsh lighting. And then I think I also just said, make me look better. I'm pretty certain. So, before, after. They've cropped the image in to just be the angel wing wall, but somehow they've stretched the wings. They haven't corrected the shadows or the harshness of the lighting, but what they have done is managed to bring back some of the photo that was kind of lost where it was overexposed. And then they've smoothed my skin and I look tan. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that I kind of am an oblong. In this photo, because I'm sticking my bum out to one side, I do actually kind of have hips already in this photo, but they've given me some hippage. My long-awaited hips. That's all I can see on that photo, so I think that's as far as they've gone. So let me know if I'm missing anything. I think it's a pretty decent edit. I'm gonna give that one an 8 out of 10. Okay, next photo, £13, is this photo. This was taken when I was filming a bikini video. I think I said change the background. I think possibly make me more model-like. So I'm thinking it will be like a tropical beach somewhere. I'm not too sure. Okay, we're ready. 3, 2, 1. I do not like that. I don't like it. Oh no! Oh no! No, no, no. Can we just talk about my body? It looks all out of proportion. It almost looks like my waist is straight on and my left leg is straight on, but then my right leg has just been stuck onto the photo. Just no. Just no. Background shocked me a little bit. Was expecting like a bright sunny beach. They've gone for a beach at sunset. They pulled up my vagina. What? Oh my god, some random stranger on the internet has moved my vagina. I don't know how to feel about this. My vagina moves. What has happened? I don't know if that was purposeful. I don't know if I've got a fat for JJ. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. Oh my goodness. I did not see this video going here. I did not see this happening. You guys can rate it because I just need to click off now. I don't know how to feel. I'm like half embarrassed, but also it's hilarious. My jaw hurts from laughing. This is the next photo. I asked for them to change my hair color to pastels and change the background to like a photography studio, so just a plain background. 3, 2, 1. It looks like a different person. That doesn't even look like me. Does it? Okay, I'm not too sure what to start with. It looks almost like a drawing of a doll. Background, good. Thumbs up for the background. Hair, I quite like the mix and I'm loving the blues and purples. I wish it looked a little more natural. I think they've just got the brush tool and like colored my hair in. Okay, they have added contour to my nose and then they've lightened up the bits under my eyes and it looks pretty good. They have also made my nose smaller in general, but the contour looks pretty great. I need to work on my contour. I've just noticed my arm. Why is my arm like that? In the before photo, my arm actually makes like a triangle shape. And they've just cut that out. They've gone, you don't need that. Where has that triangle come from? Oh, is it there? There's my triangle. Let me know in the comments how much you think this still looks like me. I'm gonna go ahead and give this photo a 7. On to the next photo, which is this one again. This is the one that was edited before by someone on Fiverr, and I got someone else on Fiverr to edit it, and this is what I asked for. I said, hello, please could you edit this photo for my Instagram? Could you make me look hotter / prettier? You can make any changes to my face / body. Also, if at all possible, clean up the quality of this photo. So, here is the before, and we're gonna now switch to the after. 3, 2, 1. My boobs look amazing. They're not even my boobs. My boobs look amazing. This guy knows what he's doing. I have all the right curves in all the right places. The fact that you can Photoshop that is insane. He has literally given me boobs where I did not have boobs. He's even edited my bun. He made my bun a little more voluminous. This photo has definitely been edited more to my style, in the sense that it's a cooler toned image. He's made it a little bit cooler. He's also made my hair cooler. So he's made my hair more washed out, which is the look that I like. He has also cleaned up the background. He got rid of the plug, the phone, and my trousers. He's managed to make my waist smaller and give me a bit more of a hip. And the most incredible part of this edit is the boob region. Like in the original, I just have this podgy bit here, which is natural by the way, so don't feel bad about it, but it just sits there. He's tucked that in and then filled in a boob that was not there. He's like actually managed to give me a cleavage and realistic looking boobs. And I've just noticed this guy has given me contour on my cheek. I like this guy, he's my friend. That's a great edit. I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. I'm glad I held back on my 10 out of 10 until now because this guy deserves a 10 out of 10. Okay, I've just received an email with 2 more edited photos. So these were also on Fiverr and these were £5 for 2 photos. So we're gonna go through them one at a time. So this is the first photo. On these photos, I basically said, please edit photos to make me prettier / hotter and make them super clean and colorful for Instagram. Please make as many changes as you can. Don't hold back, I won't be offended. Okay, so first photo, it's loading. What's happened? The main difference is my face shape and my mouth, like literally cinched in so far. I've always had chubbier cheeks and I've always been quite a fan of them. Whoever edited this did not like the chubbiness of my cheeks because my whole face has gone like this. I feel like I look like this in this photo. And I don't think this person actually edited my lips. I think they just brought my face in and went, looks about right. This person loves the blush. Like my whole face is just pink with blush. Maybe added highlight to my nose, and I think that's all they've done. That's about it. And I don't really like it. So I apologize to who edited this photo, but I'm gonna give it a 2. Also edited by the same person within that £5. And 3, 2, 1, go. What? I paid money for someone to import this photo into an editing app and go, bit brighter? There you go. I'm gonna give it like a 1 for just not really bothering. I'm pretty sure my edit on my Instagram of this photo is better than this person's edit that I paid money for. I paid money for this. I believe in this one I said, make my hair color pastel and make me look prettier. And this cost me £15.68, which is a very random price. I'm nervous, I really hope this is good because it's the last one. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. I really like the purple roots. That actually makes me want to get purple hair. I really like the purple. The pink, I'm not the biggest fan of. I think it's way too pink. It's too hot pink. But again, the same as the other image that was edited with my hair, they've just painted my hair. They've sharpened the background rather than blurring it. And then they've edited my lips, but they look like they've been badly overlined. So I don't like this photo. I don't think the hair editing is great. The background should have been blurred and not made sharper. I look kind of grey, and that's it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of all of these photos and what you would rate them. And let me know if you think I should do something similar to this again, because I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next Friday at 6 p.m. Love ya, bye.